Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a review on the 1-2 Cosmetics Magnet Lash. So if you want to see how these work, then just keep watching. So like you heard in the intro, we're going to be trying these lashes. They are by the brand 1-2 Cosmetics. I did get this sent to me for free by Influenster through Influencer from 1-2 Lash, or 1-2 Cosmetics, sorry. So basically what this is, it is the 1-2 Cosmetics Half Lash in Original. So let's open this up. So it looks like it comes in this box, and it says 1-2 Lash enhances your natural lashes with our patent pending micromagnetic technology to create lashes that look long, thick, and luxurious, yet undeniably natural, all without glue and adhesives. It says that they are available in a variety of glamorous styles. Our safety tested design flawlessly fits any eye shape, making it the perfect solution for anyone of all ages and ethnicities. Wear your 1-2 lashes anytime, day or night, to look your best for every occasion. Okay, apparently there is a code. Post using social blah blah blah. Share the code. Okay, so if you use the code Influenster10, you will get $10 off. I don't get anything for that. That's for you guys. So it's Influenster, so it's INFLUENSTER 10. I will put that in the description box too for you guys. So this is what it looks like. It came with, and you open it up, it says, "Hello Lash Lover." Okay, so then on the top it just has a little pamphlet, with a method of how to do it. Good, because I'm gonna need help. Then it comes with a little card. If you text the code 12LASH to a number, you'll receive their how-to guide and sign up for their text club, which gives you exclusive offers, tips, and more. So then this is what it actually looks like. My camera's stupid and won't focus, but I'll put a picture here. I took a picture of it earlier. So it looks like it tells you, so there's one pair and then two pair. So then you have your top, your left, your top right, your bottom left, your bottom right. So, and this is only a half lash. It looked like, I pulled up their website so I could get pricing. So the original lash, which is what I have, is originally $89.99. Whoa. And it's on sale for $69. And then it looks like they have other styles. They have the bold lash, the accent lash, and then they have also a full size. So this is only the half set, so it's only for half your eyelashes, obviously. And then it came with these this tool to apply it. So let's just try this. So I'm gonna read their directions, their methods. So for now, I'm not gonna put mascara on because I want to be able to see. And I feel like when I have mascara on, it makes my lashes so whoof that I just can't see very well. So we're gonna do it without mascara, just to try this first. Plus, I don't want to get mascara everywhere. Okay, so basically it says step 1 is to align it. Step 2 is gently place it on top of your natural lash. Close to your eyelid and outer edge. Then leave the top one where it is, and then pick up the bottom lash with the red dot. Okay, so the bottom lashes, I hope it's not gonna let you see this, is it? Stop focusing on my face. So the bottom lash has a red dot on it. Without blinking, place the bottom lash under your natural lash so it meets and connects with the top one. Alright, that's method 1. We're gonna try this. I can already tell you this is probably gonna be a nightmare. So this is top left. You know, for somebody who can't do normal lashes, I feel like this is gonna be even harder. I need a mirror. You know what? I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can see this. Okay, so we're going to, it won't let go of it. We are going to place it. Okay, I feel like that tool is just not helping. It might help for the bottom one better, but to put this top one on, it like doesn't want to let go of it. How the fuck am I supposed to that fast have this on my lash, not blink, and get the other one on? Alright, we're gonna try the other method because the magnet is intense, so before I can even get close, it's already grabbed it. I'm gonna try the method number 2. So method number 2 says to hold the bottom lash line under your eye and then gently place the other one on top. I'm going to put the top lash in these tweezer things, and then I'm going to attempt to hold this one with my hand I would say we got closer, but let me go get tweezers. But then the magnet's gonna hold on to the tweezers. I need 2 of these plastic. All right, we're getting closer. We're getting closer. So the only thing I have is metal tweezers. So hopefully it won't try to stay because of the metal. Just realized I'm out of focus. Hey, we're getting closer. We're close, but not on there. Like, if you can see, there's still a gap. I'm gonna keep trying. We're gonna get this. I think the hardest part is what's supposed to make this so great. It's the magnet. And the hardest part is, you know, holding it on, but then I can't see very well, and it doesn't help that it's harder because I'm filming this to try to do it. So, you know what? You've seen me attempt to do it. I'm gonna attempt to do it off camera just so I can get closer to my mirror because my camera's not letting me get down there. So I'm gonna try this a couple more times the exact way we just saw, because obviously that one I'm getting closer to it. So I'm gonna try it a couple more times and then I'll be right back. I am super proud of myself. Only one more time and I could get it on. So they are both on, and what I noticed is regardless, I just had to kind of take my fingers and move them a little bit closer and then use this to kind of push them together like I would if it was, you know, other lashes with glue. One thing I will tell you about them that is bugging me is, I don't know if you can see, but they're on here, but then over here it looks like they're not on right. But they're as close to my lash line as they will get. Let me zoom you back out real quick. So they're as close to my lash line as they will get. The only problem is because the magnet is right here, this end is just kind of like, it's flimsy. So it's not like on my lash line. There's nothing keeping it there. There's nothing keeping it close to my line. It's just, and the magnet, like I said, is literally right there. So that is where it should be. This is flimsy in the corner. So I don't know how I feel about it. Especially like if I had mascara on, it would help this transition, but not by that much. So I would probably avoid the half lash. That would be just for me. For me, I would avoid the half lash. I kind of want to try the full, but I'm not gonna lie, I don't want to pay that much money. I understand the reason it's more than lashes that you just, you know, put glue on and then throw away after a couple uses is because this is magnet. So you could keep using it more often than you could use the other ones. So I get why the price is higher, but I still don't think I would invest in them. Just because myself personally, I don't wear lashes that often. So for me, it doesn't make sense for me to splurge on this kind of item. But I will say it does work. I just, the end is a little wonky, but I also feel like if I had mascara on, it would help it. I think it would help blend everything, but I didn't want to put mascara on or eyeshadow because I wanted to be able to see, to be able to put these on for the first time. Obviously, the more time you use something, the more you get accustomed to it and the easier it gets to do it. So I feel like over time, obviously this I just did 4 times and I could finally get it on. So I'll have to keep playing with it. If you guys want me to do like a follow-up review, let me know and I can do that. But as of right now, I think it definitely works. I just think it could be better. Like, I'd rather it not be half. I'd rather it be like a full, which I did see that they have that as an option. Let me see how much the full one costs if it is different. So what it looks like is they have a full lash for the top and then 2 bottom lashes. I don't know if you'll even be able to see that. There's 2 lashes for the bottom, 2 that are smaller than this that would connect here and here. So that's kind of weird. But it is the same price. Like I said, I do think it works. Myself personally, I'm not gonna splurge. I wouldn't splurge on this. Now that I have them, I'll probably try to use them again, but I wouldn't go out and buy them myself. You do get $10 off though with that one code, so that would make it $50. So I guess it depends on how comfortable you feel splurging for lash. So that one's up to you guys. But that's all I have for this video, so thank you for watching and I will see you in my next one.